hands got tore up last night with the fiberglass. And shit was actually pretty crazy. So I didn't film because I was like, well, I don't want to be touching the camera and all this stuff, so I didn't do it. But I tried to film a little bit afterwards to kind of show you what it looked like, and I think it came out decent. But what I did not get a chance to do was to, what I didn't get the chance to do was to burn off and try to cure these pipes. I didn't get the chance to do that, so it's kind of a twofer. It's a twofer. So yeah, I want to just try to run these pipes a little bit, try to get some of that black silicone high temp spray to cure. It says it cures after about 400 or around 400 Fahrenheit. So so hopefully the mic sounds good. I don't know how it's going to sound. I didn't really have much of an issue. I did have to go watch a quick video to figure out how to get the thing synced and with the camera. I thought I was going to have to download and move files around, but literally all I had to do was hold down the power button until it turned solid blue, then hold down the sync button until it started blinking blue really quickly, and then the action 4 picks it up pretty easily at that point. Man, it's windy. It may not seem that windy, but it is windy. Super duper. Yeah, man, hopefully if the mic 2 sounds good, I am not opposed to using it. I won't be opposed to using it at all. Yeah, if it sounds good, I won't be opposed to using it. Right now, I have it kind of set up above my, like where my visor comes down, around the eye hole cutout of your helmet. It's a weird place to put it, but I found an area to put like a little magnetic tab there. And so literally the mic 2 literally just clicks right onto it. So it doesn't even clip onto it, it just, yeah, like magnetically clips onto it. I was like, oh, that's convenient. It smells like straight shit out of here, boy. It smells so bad. And today I was going to go try and meet up. Cycle Gear is actually having an event tonight. I think they changed the time. The normal time is supposed to be from like either like 6, like supposed to be like 6 or something like that. And then they changed the time to like 4. And everybody's kind of like, why the hell did they change it to 4? Now we're looking at the, now I'm looking at the damn, the weather. It's looking like it's about to drop bombs, man. Yeah, it looks bad out here, man. So, get this real quick. Yeah. Griffin looking good right now, man. Griffin looking good. I think that's the name we're gonna roll with, man. Griffin. For those who don't know, one of my favorite animes is Project Arms. And that's actually one of the villains in there. His name is Griffin. He's red. But yeah, I'm liking it, dude. I'm definitely liking the wrap. I'm hoping it doesn't fade too much. I might have to spray it again. I tried to spray it pretty good. It's just a short way, but I try to spray it really good to get it nice and coated. I might have to do another coat. I really don't want it to fade, so, but I kind of wanted the whole entire, like, sleek look. I think it came out pretty good. What the hell is that? Where does this nut come from? I think this was already on the ground. But yeah. I think it's come out pretty well. I just wanted to let it get some burn off, and it really hasn't been smoking much at all. It really hasn't smoked much at all. But don't do what I do. I had a pair of old motorcycle gloves, and I was just like, oh, I'll use those. I'm not going to use like latex gloves, not with fiberglass wrap. I was like, I don't think the latex gloves are going to help you. That was my thought. I used my old motorcycle gloves, regret it. I regret it. Man, it wasn't very long after when I was done, my hands were freaking hurting. Motherfuckers don't like to stop at the stop sign for some reason.